is still half of it, so I have to make a little bit more vegetables. That's all that's left. So I'm gonna sweep it up. Sweeping. I'm sweeping okra. Bye-bye, okra. And into the garbage. These in here. And then I'm gonna get some more vegetables. Oh, what is this? Oh, no. This is gonna be good. Asian style vegetables. I'm making frozen vegetables. Okay, how should I put this? I'll hold it. What are you doing? Are you playing with a toy? I need to cut this. That's inside. So I'm gonna put in this thing. I don't know what this is. And a bean. Bean sprout. A carrot. Another yellow pepper. Where are you, corn? Corn! Where's the corn? And that's what it is. I'm gonna get this and mix it around. It said there was corn in here, but I'm not seeing any corn. Hello. I don't know how I'm going to open this. Let me wash my hands. Yeah, look at that. What is that? It's Brussels sprout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Brussels sprouts. 14. 19. 20. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm mixing it. And apparently there's corn, but there's no corn. That is very strange. That is very strange. I'm talking in a British accent. Making a lot of vegetables, so I think I might need a bigger pot. But I think this one I'll do separate because it smells like it's seasoned. Can you smell it? It smells good. I don't even know what these are. Because they're all like in clumps. But I guess I need a bigger pot. So let me go get a bigger pot. Now we need some oil. Do you need oil for frying? Yeah, we do. Okay, I put some oil in now, and I'm using this to spread it around. It doesn't smell like olives. I think I'm gonna add some butter in here too. That would taste good. We usually put our vegetables in like a pot, not a pan. And we put butter in them. And they taste very good. But this time I'm stir frying them. So they're going in a pan. And to get all that oil in it. Actually, I don't think we need butter because there's oil in here. This is my butter. Butter, butter, butter. I didn't actually eat it again. I don't know how it's gonna cook though because it's frozen. Or not kind of. Okay, I don't know how to cut this, so I'm gonna take the camera. And my mom's gonna cut it.
You should have a sharper knife though, not a butter knife. I know it's a butter knife, but I mean, because it's frozen.
Butter. She doesn't like the camera. What are you doing now? Hi, baby.
Right.
He likes the shovel. Whoa, that's a lot of butter. I'm gonna mix that around even though it's not cooking. Broccoli and cauliflower. I'm adding in a little bit of every package of vegetables. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Before I ate frozen broccoli and it was so good. Cauliflower. Broccoli.
Maybe you should use a spoon. Is that your ice cream? Broccoli ice cream.
Very good. Very good. If you want to try frozen broccoli at home, it's very good. And then these. Lovely vegetables.
This is like for beef, but
Gaibi, doki. Maybe we can put in some onions.
It will do.
This is my pretty plant.
It's not good.
that my mom got for my birthday.
You don't have to.
Now we have to add in some rice. These are so good.
Sakura,
Oh,
what did you do?
a visitor. Hanny. Hanny. Ooh.
This was in the cupboard. Why?
Oops. I think I accidentally did that when I was putting away the containers.
Okay.
Kura and Hanny. Hi, Hanny. Hanny. Broccoli. Wait. Broccoli, carrots, onions, red bell pepper, mushrooms. That one doesn't have corn, but this one might go. Might have. Let's try that. Orange carrots, yellow carrots, sugar snap peas, but they're not even sugary. Water chestnuts, whole baby corn. Try one. Red peppers, beans. You want to try one? Try one.
Okay. No, not eating that.
You want to try one?
Go.
Welcome back. I'm cracking some eggs.
So now she has the food cooking. What sauce did we add? Did you say that already?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you doing now? You should be using glass to try and get it off. So now you're adding some egg.
Yeah, we're not putting it in there. I'm adding it in here, and then when you eat it, you just put it in there.
Good idea. And then we have our rice cooking, which will probably be 10 more minutes. I don't think we need this. This does not go with Asian food.
I know. I'm gonna take it off because I'm hot. Egg yolk and then egg white.
I hope you washed your hands.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. And the chicken I'm going to have to cook later because that's going to take a long time.
Yeah.
Because you started this earlier, so we're going to have to just have a vegetable stir fry. The chicken will be cooked for tomorrow, I guess.
Okay, now I'm just cleaning up some eggshells. And I'm doing this.
It's a little less than I thought it would be. But we can just mix it.
I had cracker crumbs for a snack and chocolate. I had a snack.
The lighting's also not getting... Or the lighting's not as well now because it's really dark.
Eggshells are very sharp.
It's dark outside now.
It was dark when we started.
And you're singing.
Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. And now the food's ready and we're eating. And this is a star shape. And I made this little book. And Ezekiel with just a
Ezekiel. Yeah, he's going to eat too. I'll put him in his high shoe. Looks good. Thank you.
This is my spoon. And this is my spoon.
Looks good. Okay. See you next time. This was...
Cooking with Kura and Hanny was in a little bit. And Zeke was in a little bit too.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to eat now.